In this video, I want to just take a look at or let you know about a couple of my employment law books. I've written a number of employment law books or books to do with employment law, but two in particular I've recently updated. So today is the 4th of January of 2019, and over the Christmas period there in December of 2018 I updated two of the books. The first one is this Employment Law in Ireland, the Essentials for Employers, Employees and HR Managers. It's available on Kindle and it's available in paperback, but I have to warn you that the paperback hasn't been updated yet. It's under review. So I've made the changes and it's gone in for review, but it's not just ready yet. So if you're going to buy one of the books, the most up-to-date one is the Kindle edition, as you can see there on the screen. And the Kindle edition, you'll see in the description of the Kindle edition that this is updated in 2018. So it brings up to date a Supreme Court decision in 2017 which clarifies the definition of bullying. It deals with the Mediation Act of 2017. It deals with the GDPR, that's the General Data Protection Regulation. So that's Employment Law in Ireland, and that's the book there, as you can see on the screen. You can get it on Amazon and you can get it in Kindle or paperback, but I do have to reiterate again that the paperback is under review at the moment. It hasn't been updated, so if you're going to buy it in the next few days, just double check that you're getting the Kindle version and you're getting the most updated one. That's the one that was updated in December of 2018. The other book, just actually to have a look just at what's in the book, you'll see here the various chapters that's in it. So it starts off with the employment contract and it covers issues like redundancy, unfair dismissal, the Workplace Relations Commission, health and safety, equality and discrimination, the various types of leave, the payment of wages, data protection in the workplace, fixed term contracts, trade unions, how to deal with intoxicants, temporary agency workers, tips for employees, tips for employers, bullying in the workplace, Supreme Court clarifies, and the right to legal representation in the workplace. That's a Court of Appeal decision in 2017 or 18 which clarifies the situation in relation to the employee's right or legal claim to be entitled to a solicitor or a lawyer in the workplace during a disciplinary proceeding. That's an important one to understand, and it's an important decision. The other book then of mine that I've updated over the Christmas period, and again I just have to give you this warning that it's the paperback version hasn't updated just yet because it's under review, but the Kindle version has. The book that I'm referring to, the second book I've updated, is this one. It's 31 Irish employment law cases, Priceless lessons from decided cases of the WRC and the civil courts. So again, it's the Kindle version that's been updated. Check the description because it'll say here updated in 2018, December 2018, and if you go to the paperback you won't see that in the paperback description, so just double check that. It's the Kindle one that's been updated. In this book, in the 31 Irish employment law cases, Priceless lessons, what I do is I take a look at 31 different cases dealing with employment law in Ireland, and I draw the lessons from these cases which would be useful for both employers and employees. So the cases look at the likes of gross misconduct, discrimination, temporary agency work, transfer of undertakings, unfair dismissal, bullying and personal injuries, and so on. Here are the various cases here. So there's a stale chicken wrap case, a missing jam tarts case, and so on. Abu Kebab supervisor awarded money for unfair dismissal, and so on. So they are the two books I just wanted to tell you about. One is 31 Irish employment law cases. It's been updated in December of 2018. It's the Kindle version currently today on the 4th of January that has been updated. The paperback hasn't just been past its review yet, but it's being reviewed. The books are, I think, useful. They are not written in legalese, they're written in plain language, plain English, and they should be useful for both employers and employees and anybody with an interest in this area. So one book is 31 Irish employment law cases, and the other is the Employment Law in Ireland book. You'll see it here now. So this one, the Employment Law in Ireland book, the Essentials for Employers, Employees and HR Managers. Both of these books can be picked up on Amazon. and the reviews, I've got good reviews on both books, so you might find them useful. As I said, they've been updated in December 2018. Both Kindle books have been updated. The paperbacks haven't been just passed a review yet, or haven't been reviewed by Amazon yet, but you may be interested, you may not. It's entirely up to yourself. Okay, thanks for watching the video anyway and listening. I forgot to mention to you that the books are available on amazon.co.uk, so they're based or they are to be found on Amazon. Simply do a Google or search on Amazon for me, or look for the particular books, and you can buy them then for either paperback version or Kindle. But as I say, the paperback hasn't updated just yet, so double check the description when you go to Amazon. The other thing that I want to say to you is that I will put links underneath the video on YouTube, so if you click on the link, you'll go directly to my page, or one of the pages there with my books on it. Okay,